Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSG Tech with another short video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable autoloader option from your utility section to install Windows 10 through a USB flash drive. All you need is a bootable USB flash drive with the Windows 10 on it, and you're ready to go. Will not take more time, so let's take you to the steps which you have to do. In most cases, when you want to install a Windows from a bootable flash drive, all you have to do is press F12 and system will automatically load and run the utility process. But in this case, where we have HP NYM4 model or something similar like this from another manufacturer, you have to manually adjust the settings. So when you turn on the machine, you can see that the boot device not found. All you have to do is to press F10. That will take you to the setup utility page. There you can move towards the system configuration tab, as you can see here, and from there you can drop down menu. You can move towards the USB 3.0 configuration in pre-OS settings. As you can see, this can be a different name as well, depends on the external storage device you are using. It could be hard drive, could be something else. So all you have to do is hit this button and press enter and enable this to auto. That's it, and then you can press F10 to exit by saving these changes. So that's it. As you can see guys, we have done the changes, and as you can see that the HP logo has appeared. So this is all you have to do in order to automatically load your Windows 10 utility setup process. So this will take you towards the further steps to install, and rest of the steps you already aware about that. So that was it for today's short video guys. I hope you liked the video. If you have any comments or feedback, don't forget to leave in the comments section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care and have a good day. Bye bye.